How to have multiple home screens on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead to your home screen. Over here, tap and hold an empty area until the apps jiggle. Now, long press an app icon and drag it to the right to create a new page. Similarly, you can drag another app to create another home screen. By tapping the row of 3 dots at the bottom of the screen, you can view all your home pages. Once a new page is created, you can populate it with apps from your app library or other widgets to have a new home screen. You can also drag the page thumbnails to change their order. Creating multiple home pages help you to organize and focus, allowing you to separate apps by function. Following these steps, you can easily have multiple home screens on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.